Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I'm sitting here and I'm almost done actually, unfortunately. But the reason for this video is these welding sleeves from Harbor Freight. I've gotten a chance to use them. I'm building a welding table right now. It's I'm working on top of the unfinished project here of the welding table, trying to get some steel so I can finish it off. But that's neither here nor there. What I'm doing is cutting up an old metal table to get some bracing pieces, and I'm sitting here with my grinder and grinding away at these and burning the crud out of my arm, and I thought, you know what, I have these welding sleeves, why wouldn't that work? So watch your ears. Anyhow, so that'll keep the sparks off. One more use for these kind of things. Now I know it's probably a simple thing that several people have thought about, but I was sitting here not thinking about it and burning my arm, and I thought, you know what, for the people that might do the same thing, there you go. It's the welding sleeve from Harbor Freight. So far I've been real happy with it. Seems to keep the sparks off. So anyhow, this is Sam, Jack of all, master of none. You all have a good one.